Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Unit 2 in very easy language. This topic is very important for AK2 exam and also helpful for understanding decision making concepts clearly. So, in this unit, we will cover attributes of information, classical and administrative model, Herbert Simon model, and important 2 marks questions with easy examples. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy exam oriented content. So question number 1, explain attributes of information with examples. Good information should have these qualities. First one is accuracy. Information should be correct and error free. For example, report card में सही अंक होना. Second one is timeliness. Information should be available at the right time. For example, स्टॉक खत्म होने से पहले सेल्स रिपोर्ट मिलना. Third one is completeness. Information should contain all important details. For example, ग्राहक की पूरी जानकारी होना, हमें कस्टमर्स की पूरी जानकारी होनी चाहिए. Fourth one is relevance. Information should be useful for decision making. For example, किसानों के लिए मौसम की जानकारी. So moving forward to the second question, explain classical and administrative model of decision making. First one is classical model. In this model, managers make perfect decisions using complete information. For example, a company compares all the suppliers before choosing the best one. Second one is administrative model. Managers कम टाइम और इंफॉर्मेशन होने की वजह से मैनेजर सेटिस्फैक्ट्री डिसीजंस लेता है इसमें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ स्टूडेंट चूजेज अ नियर बाय कॉलेज ड्यू टू लेस टाइम फॉर रिसर्च. थर्ड वन इज एक्सप्लेन हर्बर्ट साइमन मॉडल ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग. So this model explains decision making step by step. First one is intelligent state. Identify the problem. समस्या को पहचानना. For example, sales are decreasing. Why the sales are decreasing? Second one is design stage. Find possible solutions to recover the sales. Increase advertising. हम advertise increase कर सकते हैं. Third one is choice stage. Select the best solution. For example, start online marketing. Fourth one is implementation stage. Apply the decision. Launch social media ads. This is example of implementation stage. Fourth question will be explain decision support system. Very important question for exams. DSS एक कंप्यूटर आधारित सिस्टम है जो मैनेजर्स को निर्णय लेने में मदद करता है. इसके कुछ फीचर्स हैं. नंबर 1 इज सपोर्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग. सेकेंड वन इज यूजेस डेटा एंड एनालिसिस. डेटा की हेल्प से ये डिसीजंस लेने में मदद करता है. हेल्प सॉल्व बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम्स. बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में भी हेल्प करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बैंक लोन अप्रूवल सिस्टम. डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन DSS, GDSS and EIS. So DSS help individual decision making and it is used by managers. Second one is GDSS, help group decision making, for used by teams groups. Third one is EIS, provide strategic information. It is used by top executives. Now let's do the most important 2 marks questions. First one is define decision making. Decision making means selecting the best one from different alternatives. What is DSS? DSS एक system है that helps managers in a decision making. Define GDSS. GDSS helps groups make decisions together. What is EIS? EIS provides important information to top executives. What is qualitative information? Information in words or opinions. And in quantitative information, information should be in numerical form. What is Herbert-Simon model? A step-by-step decision-making model. Eighth question will be, write any two attributes of information. Accuracy होनी चाहिए, accurate information बिल्कुल, और timeliness. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, comment your doubts, subscribe the channel for more AKTU exam content. Thank you for watching the video.